A day in my life as an artist. I start the day by walking my dog Maple. Normally you can see the sea here, but the weather was too bad today. Then I start work with a huge coffee. Right now I'm working on a Black Labrador drawing tutorial to share with you all. There's so much work into this one, so I'm hoping that you guys love it. I also had some emails to reply to and some design work to do. Finally, I was done with stuff on my laptop. It's time for another coffee, and I needed to take some photos of these finished drawings before sending them off. There's this adorable cat Maya and a Great Dane called Meeks. Finally, this pencil drawing that took forever to finish, and I couldn't really film me filming content, so this is all you're getting. Then it was time to start my next portrait, which is this beautiful black cat. And look, I got this new pencil holder that spins. I quickly sketched out her outline and realized this is really boring for you to watch as you can't really see what I'm doing. Then it was time for lunch, and Maple got this treat for being such a good girl at the vet's yesterday. She's so gentle, it's so cute. Then it was back to drawing this cat for the whole afternoon. Here's a sneak peek of what I did, but it has to stay secret for now. Then I did another walk with Maple and the beach was empty. Then it was time to do some social posts, and I saw that my YouTube channel has got 1 million views, which is so cool. I left Maple alone for a little bit this evening, and of course she was the goodest girl ever. Then it was pretty much time for bed. Did some photo editing on my iPad. Maple already made herself comfortable. Then I put a film on, and that's all from me for today.